Hello and welcome to Polymerupdate. This is Simran Choudhary and you are watching Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based SkyStarch Polymers. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil futures climbed sharply last Friday after a statement from Saudi Arabia, OPEC's largest oil producer, that the group was close to an agreement on extending oil supply cuts. WTI crude finished at $53.99, a sharp rise of $1.40 per barrel, while Brent futures traded at $63.29, a spike of $1.62 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Fanda Insights, crude futures were firmer when trading opened for a fresh week in Asia, being carried on last week's momentum of a return of risk appetite in the broader financial markets. The US and Mexico signed an agreement on border security late on Friday after a week of hectic negotiations, and Washington called off the 5% import tariffs against the southern neighbor that was slated to go into effect from today. Open spec naphtha prices edged higher last Friday, gaining by $1 per metric ton to the $456 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Last week, ethylene prices collapsed in Asia. Prices fell sharply as demand trends in the region continue to remain sluggish. A steep week-on-week drop in upstream crude and naphtha values, coupled with persistent weaker downstream demand for PE, also pressured ethylene prices lower. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today on June 10, 2019. LLDPE prices are higher by 90 RMB per metric ton at 7,675 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are up by 111 RMB per metric ton at 8,129 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are higher by 40 RMB per metric ton at 6,685 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Zhejiang Wankai New Materials Company is likely to undertake a planned shutdown at its 950,000 metric ton per year PET plant located at Haining in China on June 19, 2019, owing to power shortage. The plant is expected to remain offline for around 1 week. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based SkyStarch Polymers. Established in the year 2016, SkyStarch Polymers is a supplier of filler master batch, raffia filler compound, woven sack filler master batch, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Monday, June 10th. I am Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.